you an update about the trading recaps and weekly analysis. So if you saw yesterday, I did not post the weekly analysis, and in the last week, I think that I have only posted one video. So let's talk about why. So as you know, we are in holiday season, so the market does not have the most liquidity. So I prefer to just get off the chart these days, and I'll not trade this week. I think that I'll not trade any day because holiday season, and next week the holidays end. So I think that the best thing to do now is to wait for the end of the holidays to come back strong. So this today I tried to take a trade, but as you can see, the price just continued going lower. I was expecting to see some longs. I was bearish for the day, but still, if you want to see a bearish continuation, we need to first go to a bearish fair value gap, or we need to sweep some highs to then go lower. But today we did not add that. So just to update that, I'll not record a weekly analysis because this week I don't expect a lot of liquidity. I expect that gold would just go sideways, or maybe we have some very bullish days and then we have some very bearish days. So I'll not trust in the price action this week. Next week the liquidity will come back to the market. So next week I think that the best is just to wait and trade in the next week. This week, I don't think that I'll take a trade, as I said before, only if I see a really good setup and if it's something clear to me, but I can do analysis for the day. So I was expecting to see here, I was expecting to see like a sweep at these highs, maybe to mitigate again this 15-minute fair value gap, but we just open and then we just continue going lower. I had marked a lot of lows. We had this New York low, it just continued going lower. We had this other New York low, this London low, this Asian low, and it just ignored all the lows. We also had a 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gap here that I was expecting to see it respecting, but it respected the gap. Here, honestly, I was trying to find some longs that is fair value gap, and because we also had a lot of sweeps here, we had this very good reaction, but then just continue going lower. Here I marked some important levels, but the price just respected the bearish shadow gaps and then continued going lower. So for me it was very simple. I wanted to see a reaction after sweeping some lows or highs. We did not add any sweep of a high. We had of the lows, but we just did not add any reaction. So today there's no trades. This week I think that I'll not take any trade either. And as I said before, I'll come back. I don't know if tomorrow I'll record a video, only if I take a trade. If I don't take a trade, you can just assume that if I don't record a video and if I not upload a video, you can just assume that I did not took a trade or not even open the chart. So next week I'll come back stronger. Tomorrow I might record a video and upload, but only if I take a trade, if I see a clear trade, but I don't expect to take a trade tomorrow, so maybe I'll not upload any video for this week. So now I just know Sunday I will record a weekly analysis because next week I will expect to have a good week, high liquidity. So as I said before, this week I might not record, so if you don't see a video, don't get surprised. So next week I'll come back stronger. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you maybe Sunday.